In a world brimming with complexity and emotional chaos, mastering emotional intelligence has become more important than ever. At the intersection of introspection and empathy lies a rare and powerful personality type, the Sigma Empath. Combining the self-sufficiency and independence of the Sigma with the heightened sensitivity and intuitive abilities of an empath, these individuals possess a remarkable ability to understand and navigate emotional dynamics. But why are Sigma empaths considered the true masters of emotional intelligence? The answer lies in their unique ability to balance emotional depth with rational clarity, their silent yet impactful presence, and their ability to transform chaos into order through sheer emotional wisdom. Let's unravel this fascinating personality type and discover what makes Sigma Empaths the ultimate navigators of the emotional realm. The silent emotional leaders. Picture someone who walks into a room and instantly senses the unspoken tensions, hidden insecurities, and emotional currents flowing beneath the surface. They don't seek attention or approval, yet their very presence brings a sense of calm, understanding, and reassurance. This is the Sigma Empath, a silent leader who wields emotional intelligence as their superpower. Unlike traditional leaders or influencers who rely on authority or charisma, Sigma Empaths quietly transform lives, often without anyone realizing their profound impact. What is a Sigma Empath? To understand why Sigma Empaths excel in emotional intelligence, it's essential to break down their defining traits. The Sigma personality. Sigmas are independent, self-reliant individuals who thrive outside traditional social hierarchies. Unlike alphas who dominate and betas who follow, Sigmas carve their own path, operating in a space where they neither lead nor submit. They value freedom, introspection, and autonomy above all else, often choosing solitude over superficial connections. The empath personality. Empaths are deeply attuned to the emotions of others, often absorbing and feeling what others are experiencing. Their heightened sensitivity allows them to detect even the subtlest emotional shifts, making them highly compassionate and intuitive. The fusion of Sigma and Empath. When these two traits combine, the result is a personality that is both emotionally intelligent and fiercely independent. Sigma Empaths have the ability to understand and connect with others on a deep emotional level while maintaining their autonomy. They do not get lost in the emotions of others, as many empaths do, because their Sigma nature provides the grounding and boundaries needed to maintain balance. Why Sigma empaths excel in emotional intelligence. 1. They have mastered emotional detachment. Empaths often struggle with emotional overload because they absorb the feelings of those around them. However, Sigma empaths have learned the art of emotional detachment. While they can sense and understand the emotions of others with remarkable precision, they do not allow those emotions to overwhelm or control them. This detachment doesn't mean they are cold or unfeeling. Instead, it allows them to analyze situations objectively, offering support and solutions without being consumed by the emotional turmoil of others. This balance is a cornerstone of emotional intelligence, acknowledging emotions without being dominated by them. 2. They are incredibly intuitive. Sigma empaths possess an extraordinary level of intuition, often sensing things that others miss entirely. This intuition allows them to pick up on unspoken feelings, hidden motives, and subtle energy shifts in their environment. For example, a Sigma empath might notice when someone is upset, even if that person is smiling and insisting they're fine. Their ability to read between the lines and detect emotional undercurrents makes them invaluable in personal and professional settings. 3. They value authenticity over approval. One of the hallmarks of Sigma empaths is their disdain for superficiality. They prioritize authenticity and depth in their relationships, refusing to engage in shallow or manipulative interactions. This trait sets them apart from many others who may sacrifice integrity for social approval. Because Sigma empaths do not seek external validation, they are less likely to be swayed by the opinions or expectations of others. This independence allows them to act with integrity and authenticity, further enhancing their emotional intelligence. 4. They are expert listeners. While many people listen with the intent to respond, Sigma empaths listen to understand. They have an unparalleled ability to make others feel heard, seen, and valued. This active listening is a key component of emotional intelligence, as it fosters trust, empathy, and genuine connections. People often find themselves opening up to Sigma empaths because they feel safe and understood in their presence. This ability to create a judgment-free zone is one of the many reasons Sigma empaths are considered emotional leaders. 5. They set healthy boundaries. Empaths are often at risk of emotional burnout because they give so much of themselves to others. However, Sigma empaths understand the importance of setting boundaries. Their Sigma nature provides the self-discipline and clarity needed to protect their energy and well-being. They know when to step in and offer support and when to step back and prioritize their own needs. This ability to set boundaries is not only a sign of emotional intelligence, but also a testament to their self-respect and self-awareness. 6. They thrive in solitude yet excel in connection. Sigma empaths are unique in their ability to balance solitude with meaningful connections. They recharge in solitude, using their alone time to reflect, process, and regain their emotional equilibrium. However, when they do engage with others, they do so with full presence and intention. This balance between solitude and connection allows Sigma empaths to maintain their emotional well-being while still building deep, meaningful relationships. The impact of Sigma empaths in relationships. Sigma empaths bring a transformative energy to their relationships, whether it's with friends, family, or romantic partners. 1. They elevate others. Sigma empaths have an innate ability to uplift and inspire those around them. They see potential in others, often before those individuals see it in themselves. Through encouragement, active listening, and genuine care, Sigma empaths help others grow and reach their full potential. 2. They resolve conflict with grace. In conflicts, Sigma empaths remain calm, composed, and solution-focused. Their ability to understand multiple perspectives allows them to mediate and resolve disputes without escalating tensions. This makes them invaluable in both personal and professional settings. 3. They encourage authenticity. Being around a Sigma empath often feels like a breath of fresh air because they encourage authenticity. Their non-judgmental presence and genuine interest in others create a safe space for people to be their true selves. Challenges Sigma empaths face. While Sigma empaths excel in emotional intelligence, their unique personality also presents certain challenges. 1. Emotional overload. Despite their ability to set boundaries, Sigma empaths can still experience emotional overload, especially in highly toxic or draining environments. Their sensitivity to others' emotions can sometimes make it difficult to maintain emotional equilibrium. 2. Misunderstanding from others. Sigma empaths' independence and emotional depth can sometimes be misunderstood. Others may perceive them as aloof or overly sensitive, failing to recognize the strength and wisdom behind their quiet demeanor. 3. The burden of always being the strong one. Because Sigma empaths are so emotionally intelligent, others often rely on them for support and guidance. While this is a testament to their strength, it can also become a burden if they do not take time to prioritize their own needs. Why the world needs Sigma empaths? In an age where emotional intelligence is increasingly valued, Sigma empaths play a crucial role. Their ability to bridge the gap between logic and emotion, independence and connection, and strength and sensitivity makes them invaluable in both personal and professional contexts. Sigma empaths are the ones who bring clarity to chaos, healing to pain, and authenticity to a world often dominated by superficiality. They don't seek recognition or applause for their contributions, but their impact is profound and far-reaching. The unseen masters of emotional intelligence. Sigma empaths are the unsung heroes of emotional intelligence. Their unique combination of independence, intuition, and empathy allows them to navigate emotional landscapes with grace and precision. They are the quiet observers, the compassionate listeners, and the wise guides who transform lives without seeking attention or validation. In a world that often prioritizes superficial success over emotional depth, Sigma empaths remind us of the power of authenticity, empathy, and self-awareness. They are the true masters of emotional intelligence, and their influence is felt long after they've left the room. If you've ever met a Sigma empath, consider yourself fortunate. They are rare, remarkable, and irreplaceable.